You said they're coming on in just a second?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Mary Ann,
Yes.
any luck with Sumter?
Maria said that they should be on any second. I'll try again.
No, she said they're coming. It's okay. I'm just trying to find some place quiet to do this.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
How are you? Good, thanks. Yeah, Sumter's window is rapidly closing.
Is what? Oh, I'm sorry.
You're fine. No, no, no.
Okay, bye. Judge, I just talked with Marie and she said what the officers are gonna try to connect with the phone.
Didn't we have this problem with them before?
Yes, we did.
My feelings aren't hurt. I just feel bad for them. I wonder what we can do. I know that, no, strike that. I know that Andy's already tried.
glass of water before I?
No, ma'am, but thank you very much. Mary Ann.
Did you just hear what I just said?
No, I didn't hear what you said.
Hello.
Hi.
Still,
No, a half an hour ago, they said 15 minutes.
right.
We've been on Zoom and we've been on Polycom forever. We've been on Zoom for 19, 20 months.
Gotcha.
Well, I'm looking at it and there's a fence date of the 11th. They have until tomorrow to arraign them. If they want to be with the weekend arraignments, they can, because it's 11 o'clock and our cutoff time's 11.
Do you want me to have Maria inform them?
I want an update. I want an update on how a half an hour, 15 minutes turns into 35. That's all.
I'll call her.
Thank you.
Judge, I have Maria on the phone and she said they have not contacted her again. Do you want her to tell them to do it tomorrow?
No, I'm just wanting to know what the what the problem is. Because they told her that they were gonna call in like 15 minutes ago, right?
That's correct. Maria, and do you have a phone number for them, Maria?
Yeah, it's a dispatch number.
Can you try maybe one more time? Okay, can you let us know? Thank you. She's gonna
Am
let
I
us
being,
know.
no, am I being unreasonable?
No, we've been waiting a while. No.
What do they do the rest of the week, the rest of the days? They don't have any trouble coming on for arraignments for anybody else, do they?
I don't have any idea. We didn't have them. I don't think we had them yesterday. Do you have to go back into your seminar? I mean, is there a session that you're missing?
Yeah, I'm
Oh.
sitting upstairs waiting for this to be done. We're supposed to stay, well, they started at 11 o'clock. So as soon as we're done, I'm gonna go downstairs. We already had to check out, so that's done. I can't believe nothing's going on there.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet. They are gonna do that, shoot the video this afternoon though.
Are you dressed for the video?
No, ma'am, I am not.
Why not?
I do not, I am like you, I don't wanna be in that video.
Yes, you do.
I don't.
I think you should be. I think you'd add some flavor.
That's a good way to put it.
Is Wayne and 94 open again?
Yes, it is. Al just told me to call Sumter. I don't know why I'm gonna call Sumter. Let me see what happens.
Where's Al?
I don't know. just spoke to Sergeant Eggerer and, she is gonna call in right now. I just gave her the ID number. Did you hear what I just said?
No, I saw your message, but
Oh, I just said that I just spoke.
I
with
heard, I'm sorry.
I just spoke with Sergeant, oh, here she is. I'm admitting her right now.
Good morning, Sergeant. Oh, why does she have no audio or video?
I don't know, let me call her. Hey Sergeant, we have you up. Oh, you just disappeared. We have had. She's gonna try again.
She's showing as active for sound, but no audio. I don't know how that could possibly be.
Your Honor, can you hear me now?
I can hear you, but you're breaking up.
Okay, we have very little cell signal inside the building, but I have Mark Roberts with me in front of you. We don't have any video, but
Oh, no.
I wonder, why doesn't she just call from a landline? Sergeant?
Your Honor, can you hear me?
I can.
I can hear you just fine as I have Michael Roberts with us.
The problem is I can't hear you. Ugh. It would have been quicker for them just to drive him up. I can hear you, but
Oh, please don't leave. No, you're fine.
no.
Okay, have Michael Roberts in front of you?
If you're able to hear me, this is 210-646-FY, State of Michigan versus Michael Todd Roberts. Your name for the record, please, sir.
Michael Todd Roberts.
Thank you. Mr. Roberts, today is the day and time set for your arraignment. It's alleged that on I'm sorry, sir, there was an indication that you waived the right to have the MIDC court-appointed attorney represent you for arraignment. Is that correct, sir? Sergeant,
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't hear a response from him.
Go ahead, we heard.
Mr. Roberts, no, my question is, you're waiving your right to have a court-appointed attorney represent you for arraignment, sir?
Yes, I am. Yes.
Sir, it's alleged that on August 11, 2021, it says Belleville, but I believe it's actually Sumter. You did commit count 1, robbery unarmed. Did in the course of committing a larceny of a purse, money, and credit cards, use force or violence against a person present, that being Barbara Hall, contrary to MCL 750.530. This is a felony punishable by up to 15 years in prison. Count 2, financial transaction device possession, that you did have in possession or under control or receive from another person a financial transaction device issued by Chase Bank with the intent to use, deliver, circulate, or sell the same, or to permit, cause, or procure the same to be used, delivered, circulated, or sold, knowing such possession, control, or receipt to be without consent of the device holder, contrary to MCL 750.157P. This is also a felony punishable by up to 4 years in prison and or a fine of up to $5,000 plus court costs. Count 3, financial transaction device, stealing, retaining without consent, that you did steal, knowingly take, or knowingly remove a financial transaction device from Barbara Hall, the device holder, contrary to MCL 750.157 N sub 1. This is also felony punishable by up to 4 years in prison and or fines of up to $5,000 plus court costs. Count 4, domestic violence, that you did make an assault or an assault or battery upon Barbara Hall, a resident or former resident of your household, contrary to MCL 750.81 sub 2. This is a misdemeanor punishable up to 93 days in jail and or fines of up to $500 plus court costs. There is a habitual offender third offense notice. Take notice that the defendant was twice previously convicted of a felony or attempt to commit a felony, and that on or about August 21st, 1998, he was convicted of the offense of receiving and concealing stolen property in excess of $100 in violation of MCL 750.536 sub A in the Third Circuit Court for County of Wayne, State of Michigan. And on or about April 30th, 1993, he was convicted of the offense of breaking and entering a building with intent in violation of MCL 750.110 sub A in the Third Circuit Court for the County of Wayne, State of Michigan. Therefore, defendant is subject to the penalties provided by MCL 769.11, the penalty being twice the maximum sentence on the primary offense for a lesser term. Sir, inasmuch as you are unrepresented, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. You have a right to be considered for pretrial release. There is a recommendation from law enforcement that your bond be set at $5,000, 10%. Do you have any comments you'd like to make about bond in this matter?
5,000, 10% is $500. Can I
Yes,
buy
sir.
myself out? I have that on my person. Okay. Yeah, I have no questions then. I have that on my person. I can put it up there.
Your bond will be set at 5,000.
But
Go ahead.
no, I don't have 5,000. I have 10%.
Yes, Mr. Roberts, your bond will be set at 5,000, 10%. The condition of your bond is that you have no contact with the complaining victim, that being Barbara Hall. Sir, no contact means no contact, no direct contact, no contact through a third person, no contact through social media. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Your next appearance date will be your probable cause conference. That will be scheduled for August the 25th, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. And that will be with Judge Oakley. That will be by Zoom. Anything else, Sergeant? Sergeant, anything else?
No, Your Honor, we missed the, exam. We lost your first.
You missed what?
Did you set an exam date?
We didn't set the exam date. That'll be set at the PCC with Judge Oakley on the 25th if the file is ready for that stage.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, Your
Mary.
Honor. I appreciate that.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Mary Ann, we're all set. It's 11:15. Would you call the sergeant, make sure she got everything, including the case number, please, ma'am?
Yes, it will.
I'll see you Monday morning.
All right,